Hi there, I am here to help you learn the English language. If you want to learn how to speak the English language, you should connect with me. You will get each and everything what you need to be fluent and confident in English language speaking. Let's talk today about magic E, silent E. We have few words on this board. When we add E at the end, the pronunciation changes and also meaning also changes. All E at the end, the E at the end of these words is not pronounced. This E is silent in these all words. Let's see. Us, use, us, use, us, use. One more thing I would like to tell. When we have E at the end, before this E we have consonant, before this consonant we have vowel. The sound of this vowel will be long. Remember it. In most of the words, the sound of this vowel, either A, E, I, O or U, the sound of these all vowels would be long. Let's see. Us, use, cut, cute, cut, cute, cut, cute, hid, hide, hid, hide, hid, hide, hop, hop, hope, hop, hope, hop, hope, sit, sight, sit, sight, sit, sight, read, ride, read, ride, read, ride, cap, cape, cap, cape, cap, cape, tap, tape, tap, tape, tap, tape, kit, kite, kit, kite, kit, kite, cub, cube, cub, cube, cub, cube. We have here I. This E is silent, Y is also silent. Only this will be pronounced as E will sound long I. If you find this video helpful, you must like it. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, if you have not followed my Facebook page, please subscribe my YouTube channel and follow my Facebook page so that you will get notified time to time. You should also share this video among your friends, among your relatives, among your neighbors, among your nearest and dearest ones. They will also get benefited. Thank you. Happy learning.